a beautiful 736. You actually have seen that already, but we need to go through it, right? 736. Found in almost every single gospel song, any singer singing, any advanced musician playing, they do the 736. Very simple. Know what is your 7. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's like this: 7, 3, 6, again 7, 3, 6, or 7, 3, and then 6. But here's the thing: you don't want to use it like that. 7, 3, 6. This is going to be too chopped off. You want to learn to invert it. Okay, you find in many songs like da 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 de da 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 de da da, passing chord de da 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 de da da da. See, 736. Even in the song. It's right here. See? When it says blessed assurance, do 7, you're gonna do a 2/5. Now right here. See, 7, 3, 6. You do that. Passing chord, right? You do. Again, you do. Now we'll leave this for last for explanation, right? This is what we did at the beginning of the video, right? So use that because the 726 movement is one of the most common gospel chord movement. You will hear this progression in many gospel songs and church settings, right? Learn this movement. It will help you add authentic gospel flavor to your piano playing. So recognize whenever you're gonna hear this song. Okay? And the most important thing is to practice it in all the keys, not just in one key. Here, 736, right? The key of D flat. The key of D. See? 1, 7, 3. You could do the 3 right here. 6. The key of E flat. Alright, back to the key of C. You could do the key of F also. You're gonna find this sound everywhere. Just make sure you practice this. I'm gonna do it again. 7, 3, 6. This fourth concept is extremely important. And you need to learn that, and not only learn that and apply it to many of the very, very familiar songs that you know, and use it whenever you feel like using 736. Make sure that you use it. All right, concept number 4. Now you do not want to miss concept number 5 because this is an eye-opener for you. Concept number 5. All right, let's go straight to the next concept.